Do you want to print a document on your Epson printer using an iPhone? Well, the process is really simple, but it could seem difficult to some people. Get the quick expert help by calling at the following numbers. Moving on to this video, first, I will tell you the process to connect your printer to a Wi-Fi network and then print a document using your iPhone. So, let's get right into it. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. First, head over to your printer and press the Home button. Then, press the right arrow button to find the setting options and hit OK. Next, just make sure you've selected General Settings and then press OK. After that, scroll down to Network Settings and hit OK one more time. Now, from the list, you need to choose Wi-Fi Setup and tap OK. Once you see the screen, just press OK for the recommended Wi-Fi option. Go ahead and press the OK button again, where it says Start Setup. Now, you'll need to select Wi-Fi Setup Wizard and hit OK to let the printer do its thing. At this point, the printer is going to scan all the available networks and show them right there on the screen. Find your specific network and press OK after selecting it. After that, it's time to enter your Wi-Fi password. Once you've gotten there, just select OK. Once the password is in, you just have to select Start Setup and press OK one more time. And here you go. Your printer is now connected to your Wi-Fi network. Now, grab your iPhone and make sure it is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Epson printer. Then, access the file you want to print and then tap on Share icon. After that, tap on Print option and select the Epson printer you're using. Finally, your printer will print the selected page. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.